this is Frederico, and I'm doing my lesson 2 assignment. Usually I work with GarageBand, but for this assignment I chose to work with Audacity software so I can improve also my personal skills. So you can trim in Audacity. To do this is very simple. You just have your cursor. Then with your cursor you just drag and choose the part that you want to trim and press delete. So this you can put in the beginning or the end, or even in the middle. You choose the part that you want to trim and press delete, and it disappears, it's trimmed. So you can also separate in Audacity. If you have your file, you just choose the part that you want to separate. In this case, we're going to separate the interlude. So we choose first the interlude part, then we go to menu, and then we just choose on edit, cut, or separate. Then it's simply separated. As you can see, there's a separation between the two parts. We also can separate and split and put into another place. So we just choose again what we want. We'll choose the interlude instrument, and it's chosen. We're going to again to edit. Then when you have cut limits, you cut and create a new one, separate and create a new one, and then you have separated and created in a new audio file. So you can also do crossfade in Audacity. For instance, if you have two tracks already separated, what you do is you select one track, then shift and select the other one. So you have the two tracks that you want to make the crossfade. So then you go to effects, and you choose crossfade tracks and click it. And you have a number of options: constant gain, or constant power, or custom curve, which are related to how do you want to fade it to be done. We're choosing constant gain, so it can be the same gain. We press OK, and then the crossfade, it's done. Also, we can also do this when we have just one track and not separated parts. If we have this just one track, we're going to choose the part that we want to make this crossfade. And in this case, if you want to make the crossfade, we're going to effects, and we're going to choose not crossfade tracks, but crossfade clips. And then you choose OK, and it's done the crossfade on the one single track. So we can also merge. This means we put together two separate audio tracks. So we have one audio track that we select, also we select the other one. And if we want to put them together, we just go to the menu, to tracks, and then to mix and process. In this case, we're mixing and processing these two tracks into the same track, so we only get one. This is a destructive editing, but if you don't want a destructive editing, we simply choose, as we told before, there's two parts, the same. We go to the same menu tracks, but instead of that, we're going to make the choice to make it mix process into a new track. In this case, we're going to mix and merge these two tracks into a different track, but we also keep the other ones. So in this case, this is not a destructive editing. We have both of them.